Hey you guys, and welcome back to DATFAMILY5. Today we will be putting the bidets. My husband wanting a bidet, and they are pretty decently priced on Amazon. So the main bathroom has the model Neo 120, and then our bathroom has the Neo something, I don't know. The Neo 360, and that one has warm water attachment that we need to attach. We haven't did that yet. But welcome to our channel. My name is Atoya, and this is Douglas doing the other stuff, getting the bidet together. And we are a family of 5. We have 3 girls. We do cleaning motivation, DIYs, lifestyles, vlogs, all those types of things. Just letting you know how our family lives, just like any other family in the world. All right. So as always, we are the family that loves life and having fun, and give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly. Stay tuned for the ending part. Thank you.
My heart can only take so much before it falls down and hits the ground. I wanna love you, I'm not allowed, 'cause if I hurt you then we'll go down. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, will we live forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? I gotta know, and if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know,
We just got to keep it rolling. There's no time to be wasting. I'd just rather move it along. Got both feet but in different waters. I need space more than orders. I'd just rather move it along. I know how you're feeling, 'cause sometimes I do tight. Not tonight. You're gonna hear me. Gon' dance it off goodbye. My love, can we drop this? Our time can't pass us by. This bond makes us stronger just to be together. All I wanna do is crash now when you're spewing facts. Now I know that I am getting better. We know that we can get crazy when some things seem hazy. I know that I am getting better. I know how you're feeling, 'cause sometimes I do tight.
All right, you guys. So the Luxe Bidet. The one that we have in this room is a single wash, which is cold with lever. It has a nozzle guard gate and a nozzle clean feature. And it's just very clean, it's more cleansing to my understanding. And then in our bathroom, we have a Luxe Bidet Neon 320 and it's blue. And that one has a dual wash mode with lever, nozzle guard gate, nozzle clean feature, hot and cold water model. And then that one also has, well, they both have like a female spout. So you have the spout for your, where you got it cleaned, and then you have a spout for the female part that needs to be cleaned. It says, I'm reading the stuff on the side. One says, if wiping has been troublesome or painful for you, this device is a blessing. One of all time's best home upgrades. Number 1 for cleaning up your number 2. A surprising difference. Easy to solve, very low price for its value, and works perfectly. And it does. It works very good. I don't like it. Just flat out, I don't like it. I don't know what to tell you. I don't like it. So I don't like it, y'all. So it has a ergonomic controls, the retractable nozzles, and like I said, they have a rear wash and a feminine wash, quote unquote. So it's really, really easy to install. They have that little gray thing right there to help tighten the nuts there. And yeah, so the main bathroom needed to get bumpers. So we had to buy some bumpers. And I think the bumpers, we got like a whole bunch of them. We bought bumpers for like $6 for like 16. So it's not bad at all. And it tells you if you need bumpers, buy bumpers. But sometimes the toilet seats don't go all the way down like this one. Here we go, trying it out, and it squirted, and I was like, that's weird. Like, it's very weird. And then, so I did try it, and it's the weirdest feeling ever. Like, I understand that we Americans are the only ones that don't have a bidet to clean our areas after we use the bathroom. We use toilet tissue, and I understand that. I got that. However, it's very weird, and I think you just got to get used to it. So, yeah, that's all, y'all. As you see my face, I'm like, what the heck? But yeah. So as always, we are the family that loves life and having fun and give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. And we'll see y'all on the tube, y'all.
The print you wanna leave behind. Get all those cold eyes cold looking. Saying bye bye bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away.